When you making younger, a woman. When you making younger, Madam Salo. When you making younger, a woman. When you making younger, Sergeant good friend, DPO friend, Commissioner good friend, IG good friend, Governor good friend, Senator good friend, Gority President, old school Salo, old school fashion. Madam Salo, old school fashion. If trouble no day, wahala go day. If Inyanga no day, Shakara go day. She no corner, she dey talk her mind. She no dey lie, and she dey talk the truth. Madam Salo, Madam Congaso, Nkobi herself. Salo PRC, Salo Limited, Salo International, Salo One in Town.
One, keep us up. By yourself with yourself, see enjoyment too.
Now one day, if I am,
No will.
no, guy, nice to go.
It's nice to get you.
No time back here, and I'm just name it by my family street. You see, you go.
One day, get you see. Eh?
We be one them.
Hmm?
We be that drum my guy. I dey here like this. Now I wait for my guys. Now once I just draw down, now I'm happy at that. Picture.
Your guys just batama. You tire. Nah, go on me and men no before I plan tire. Go on me and men. Can you mezi?
Come. What thing you do you? Why you ask me that kind of attitude? Have you want them to say you know this town? We know this town with us.
Sure. So I did this time now, I did. So because I did this time, you mean say everything when they happen for the time, say me I know. Now waiting they sup call me in come what I know.
What do you want here?
Ah.
Make I ask you. What do you want here so? I told you to know what you want here. You want so?
So wait oh. So now because of this small check question why I ask you. Now you search that for me. Now you don't the boy like on to with the top fire. Let's see there.
Now tell me why I don't go first for you. Why I don't go boy like hot water waiting for fire?
You will go boy like on to now. So because I ask you simple question, now all the blood went there but you won't try finish now. Just go say you the first, eh?
See my brother. Okay, from now. A hungry man is an angry man. Like this, I be angry youth. I be wahala youth. I be problem youth. In fact, make a sound and make it for enter your body well. I'm a confused youth if you don't know. Now they well guy.
Lele. So you are hungry youth. So you are angry youth. So you are problem youth. So you are wahala plus confusion confusing youth.
Waiting be your work as you be youth so. You get hand work, I be in the work.
Not true. I know get work. Yes, I know get work. Everybody knows say work not that easy to get for this time. You dey hear me so? I know get work. Even the handwork where I learn self. As I learn and finish, I not see money. Open my own shop. Make I continue. What I go do? I go kill myself.
You go kill yourself. You can't forget say so many don't die because of say work for no day for this country. You don't forget. Come, make I even ask you. Which year you finish school self?
Make I tell you, since 2010, oh, since 2010 now I finish school. As I finish school self, I even go learn and work join. But since then, as work not come there, now money not come there to achieve things now. I just they carry hustle, they work, they enter one or two places. Anywhere hustle, carry me reach. I do am. Man not die, man not roti.
You get mad. They talk to me say, they tell me say you finish school 2010. Money back. You know when I finished school? I finished school since 2008. Since then, work no day. Nothing. I don't see the waka, the parambe like the play where you no get tired. Any place where you see free food day, free drink. And I thought I would live in more than man. See, we will be youth. Now we get beer parlor. Now we get game house. Tachao, name them. Now we get her. In fact, now we be the originators of all these things.
Not true, my guy. Not true, you talk. You make sense. See the thing, eh? For this country, so if you even go find work, they go ask you how many years work experience you get. And if you don't get work experience, you don't lose the job in that. The one where I even ask myself, you say, not the person who don't get work. Now they get work experience. Now we don't suffer for this town. We don't suffer for this country. Don't suffer. Huh?
Thank God you use your mouth to talk all these things. I'm happy about them. This is what they tell me so. I don't listen I'm telling before you. Now what to make me say, make I call my guys. Make they come, make we for put here together. Form one thing or like that. What you could do, take the whole body.
Eh?
You might not going to go over now.
My guy, you don't call your guys more than form one thing or that. Bros, how about I go Niana? Or people Niana? Tinem this thing one I want from so I did. You don't hear me so I did inside. Nah, even the beer, you know, go now for you. Ma, help you with the beer now. Man, that's some Niana, look at that. Eh?
You smoke? I want to ask you something.
Ask me.
So, you want to join our group?
I want to join, bros.
You saw, you get mine.
Okay,
what thing they happen now be say my guys they come. If they come, Abona Fabia and you taste in the street, money for ball and alone you say aja.
Not true. But chicken wait to. I no one wait again. Make your friends come before Anya has here. Mbao. See the thing, eh? As you don't tell me this thing, and me we don't define what I want to do since. We don't define youths like maybe say we go try and do something. Now don't see now they say make your friends come. Bros, me and you they talk this thing, they go. If your friends come, they will come and we continue from there now. My body they hot. Tell me this thing now.
You know what you?
What's in that?
We won't form bad gang. We could use them. They don't want to do this. Wait for the thing to
no, Allah now. Chike, how about now? This gang now, what did them go to do now? Tell me this thing, knock me to dinner. So,
Obi, make I ask you. You sure say you came out to join this our group, so?
Bros, I don't join finish.
We don't want to follow you too. We need youths where we say they get liver, they get mind to come open.
Yeah. See, chicken, respect yourself, oh. Now because I never change for you since now make you they follow me the yan like this so. What's your problem now? So as I tell you like this now, sir, I be like a baller for your eye. Hey chicken, as you see me here so, I know the difference, I know the fear face so. Make I clear you. Hey! Me.
My guy don't vex. Jump loco.
No. This is the moving spirit now, eh? Now like this be the moving spirit because this life, eh? If you day here and you know the person say you day here, the person not gonna say you day there. You know hear me so? As I don't enter, so I don't come. You say I don't come. What's it?
Okay, nah.
Tell me then.
What you happen be say? We won't form bad gang. We won't form bad gang.
Nah, what time? Abagom. Tell me.
We won't form court group.
Yeah?
We're going to use them the 50. You know, Chris? Why did they make noise?
It's not. Hey! Chicken. No. Mua busa bono kita. I no follow. No, God forbid. Nka, Mua, OBI, Hecotis. Let alone say I could carry keep no mba. Abusima Bonakita Biko, in short, Canaba. I not follow again.
Come, I think say the verse self.
I the verse now. And the verse me say I go come become Curtis, come the carry this. No, I not follow. God forbid. Mba, so pam naka. 100 times, mba.
What did they even talk, self? What did they even talk? So, like this now, what thing we could do? So, make we sit down the look. Government don't even get our time. For what thing? Now that we go take run this life, so. Now for only election, they go remember say we youth we dey exist. They go use us throw away. Now look at the repercussion. See what thing don't become so. Touts, hooligans, killers. We dey kill everything we pass our way.
Hey, CP.
Munch.
CP, who be this boy now? Who be this puff? What did they do here? See this one, oh, which kind of human being be this one now? Where you?
Na G be this, the correct guy.
This one G.
Na correct nigga.
This one, football no be for this kind of people now. I been a basketball you want play. Scum, no, they well. Sure they hear me. Now my CP be this. I see don't talk say be sure boy. No use your head. Sure they hear me. No joy, I need to see you. Sure they hear me.
Collect smoke, sit down.
They well. I dey feel you, boss.
Only.
See this one.
I tell you, carry on.
Do your best, well. It's in the worry you. That's him be puff.
Carry on.
Okay. See. As I dey tell you, this thing wey you tell me, we no need to do am. See, you get wetin I dey think.
What you dey think? What you dey think?
Leave this guy. Carry on.
See, I know one woman wey dem dey call Madam Salon. That woman, she and governor, dem be friends, dem dey like this. If we carry this matter now, tell this Madam Salon, because anything we reach Madam Salon here, we don't reach governor here. There. I believe say Madam Salon, the governor will do something. But this thing, make we not do that one way you talk.
I don't believe. Puff, you get sense. Check me. Get sense. Short people dey get sense, so. I don't know say
this guy get sense.
you get brain.
See what is up, You want tell me say if you go see Madam Salona? Wait, you know what he even talk? You think say to see Madam Salo dey is like that? You think so? You know Madam Salo?
CP, may talk first.
Bros, see, Madam Salon, I know very well. So to see her may go easy for us. Move they go. Move just not waste time again.
I don't like you. I swear I don't like you. You sabi? I don't like you.
So maybe they go see Madam Salabi?
No, they go.
Stay front.
You want follow too?
Okay. One for me, they go. CP! I dey feel you.
Madam Salo, the old school fashion woman herself. Make una dey follow Madam Salo as she dey talk all the matter as it dey happen for our obodo Naija.
Hello. Now which kind of work be this, Bikono? Adako, look at me. You don't know when my deka girl see them no go down. Look at me at my age. No job. Aburo can know. Ordinary boyfriend be ben enwe. Ebuka no wan nwere enwe, nwe kwubo onyo bia nke de nka di isi nke di isi ade nko. Ebuka nwere ihe ọ na-alụ. Ma kwanu ụmụ ebere waka nna waka. Wechata obere ego Ebuka na yalụ m. For 18 years mụ na ya ji wee mebe ihe a na waka na aga yale. I was hoping that by now he go don marry me. Mana Ebuka nwere n'ihe ọ na-alụ no, agba aka afụ nwata eze. Hey. Chimo. Ihe mmemme onwe m nnọọ. Adako. Beki ya ka gị esi wee bịa biko na.
Ada baby. Adankem.
Ebuka, welcome.
How you doing now? Is this somewhere you dress like this, you dey come out?
Ebuka, they are not they go anywhere. Only say it get some things where they happen for this obodo, where they vex me. I don't understand.
Kiri kwa nkene men, kiri men piko kolom ada nkem.
Hello that Jenna Jimmy. Now which kind of question you they ask me? I be you there do this obodo. I be waiting. If you don't know what you got, nothing the move. Nah, everything everything just this
Adam, why your blood they hot like this, Adam? Oh yeah, anyway, settle all that economy. Talk and the way I go understand and because Adam.
Ebuka, like I tell you, since we person finish school, reach now, nothing they happen. Job, I no get. All my come up was a KJ no money to start them. I'm just tired. Honestly, I'm just tired.
Ada, that one you just a talk. Ikuzie maka nke gi wetin me go come talk me Ebuka. Ada, Chibi you know say e don tey when I graduate for school. Ada, 15 years. 15 good years na Ebuka finish for school. E can ekwu. Look at that. I go I no go just kill myself say I dey look for job.
Ebuka. It gets something where they vex me well for this hour. See, somebody tell me say for USA, say government they pay their youth when no get job. Even for Germany self, now government they carry youth when no get job. Go where job there, go tell them make them.
What you talk now true? Sense just there. Ngwa nezenu Ebuka. Like say I get job since. You know, sir, for don't marry you since. Nanya Adam. No, because say all right, don't know. Money no come there.
Oh, and you don't tell me make I be happy. See, Ebuka, make I tell you. You see some of these girls where they walk up and down, they move around. Some of them don't get anything where they do. Some of them they live with men, even with some sugar daddies. Some they do runs girls. Some they do the thing where they call trade by batanya, using what you have to get what you want. What was the animal? I'm okay now. It good? But because of lack of job.
It no good. Forget the laugh when they laugh at that. It no just good at all. You know good. Wait till you talk, says damn. Somebody like that one day been tell me say government can announce for radio one day like that and TV say they go employ people, they go give people youth empowerment. Even all these ones when they do handwork, say make them gather for one place like that. What be that place name again?
Ebuka. No, they talk within your eyes, no see. Only. Why you no go make them give you the job? I be the handwork. You still can't collect small change from my hand.
Don't they insult me small? You, but now just look am now. Look am well. See, the thing be say, the problem, the wahala where they happen be say, now this our youths them. They know they pay attention. Every time they go there, they know they listen to better government radio and TV. Make they know what thing they happen, we go help them. They go there busy. They watch video, they watch film, they watch music. They even watch what thing they call that one, BB Naija, Big Brother. Abu Kochabe, me never finish. They go come join them. They do Facebook, WhatsApp, to go, YouTube, Instagram, and all the other ones. They no go, settle down. If they say that they listen to better government radio and TV, wey be ABS 88.5. Therefore, they know wetin dey happen. Therefore, they know when government wan give them job. Even the ones who wan do hard work, dem go also know am.
See, this thing wey dey talk now, I don hear am before tey. The thing wey dey vex me be why government no go begin to pay youths wey no get job as dem dey do am for other international community dem.
No be say wetin you dey talk no be true, na true. Na true sha. But see, dem talk am say Rome no be for one day dem build am. Na small we go come reach there. You know, now make this our better, good working governor. Come look and say, he go they give youth them empowerment. Can't they even give the ones where they want to?
The thing don't depend me well. See, how person go suffer, go school, finish. Since there could be a better life. Nothing. Eh? They make it out from hand to mouth. See, make I tell you, small time self. We no go even see the hand where we go put for mouth. Don't say I don't tell you.
And that's maybe I tell you say what you talk now. You don't talk am before now. I don't hear them. But the thing be say this our government. They try very well for this we state too. Can't they empower youths them? Can't they even give them job join?
Which job? Which person they give job? No, just tell me only have a job. No problem. Shebi that's our those people in government. Now they take climb that ladder where they there now. No problem. They enjoy themselves there. They enjoy the money alone. They don't remember us where we use. Where help them enter there. No problem. Time will come where they will come back again to ask us to help them. And that time we will show them.
And then what you they even talk, eh? I don't know they talk this thing oh. Fakuwagisi. Actually come lose gather biko kwao. Eh? Can you get snake who they are not go use verse go talk waiting you know. Eh? Abi you don't forget Abi you know say for our House of Assembly say now youth them dead there. Even the speaker for that place now you too.
Ebuka, are you sure of this thing where you talk now? Not true?
Not true.
If not so, let me say the governor they try you.
Well, no be small.
Hey. Anyway, Sha, no problem. We go see Madam Salo. Make we tell them all this problem where we youth they worry about for where government there. No problem, we go.
We will go.
Make we go see Madam Salo. You know say she get connection or Monday commission and my governor how much honey. Let's go and meet Madam Salo. Can go what you be one?
You na call here. Na call here we go. Adabi ke chukona call dey hand you know because I chukona come na call gi say ma mesi ho ike.
No problem.
I no go come dey fight.
No, dey worry yourself. Make you go.
Madam Salo, the old school fashion woman herself. Make una dey follow Madam Salo as she dey talk all the matter as it dey happen for our obodo Naija.
Hey, wo. I don't even go ask Makam see whether your pikin don't come back. So what can you want to get everywhere? Trouble, wahala. And it's the difference in answer to what the you too. And I I'm a non job of it. I'm not going to see them.
Now who they here? Oh yeah, no so. Madam Salo the Salo. Now me, Honorable Commissioner. Say, make I come greet you.
Commission.
Salo?
My own commission.
Salo the Salo.
Hey!
Oh,
Commission.
Oh, yeah,
wait. Wait. Abi, you miss me. If I say you be big man, no. Hey! Come.
Salo the Salo. Oh, yeah,
How are they?
fine.
What about my friend, Governor? How Governor do?
What else?
Your wife, Uncle?
Everybody they okay.
Hey!
Salo Yenkem. I just dey waka for this one area. I can't say make her enter as long as na your territory be this. You know say government work. We no fit do am for this area without you now. Salo. That boy where you bring become a mechanic. Go workshop. Nketalo, double sewing machine, even plus, including designing machine. Can governor put a civilian?
Hey, Akwaku.
Oh, good, you cannot preach. You cannot preach. Oh, my God.
Hey!
Akwaku, you cannot alone.
Akwaku,
Oh, yeah, Johnson. Welcome, sir.
Madam Salo. Now my friends that be youth.
Oh, okay, they be youthful of area.
Yes.
Okay, area boys. Make them bring seat now. Make them sit down. Now you know say make una come see me. Hey. Okay. Obi. Now me and the commissioner there. See the commissioner be this. He can't greet me.
Commissioner. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Thank you very much. Madam Salo, as your area people don't gather, can you just represent us well for this?
I beg you, sit down. Sit down. What if they talk like that? Sit down. The area boys be this as they come. You don't know what they carry come. Sit down, make you hear what they want.
Madam Salo.
Oh yeah. Oh, one year, no, you put any other. No.
How feel now?
Commissioner. He's a very commissioner.
Commissioner, good afternoon, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
This one, Adak. Ebuka one money Adak. You don't say they work out like
Romeo and Juliet.
No, be Romeo and Juliet. Courtship, sis. And I think that's so they're not telling us. This boy, courtship is 18 years.
As you don't see Commissioner Ada, let me say, governor go here.
Madam Salo, I'm begging and begging because when he fell, could be as open time now, and even majority, even him and all of
Commissioner,
what me that?
so due respect, sir. Because Okamaka use kind of worker. Let government begin to help the youth. Before I work was streets, even have banning her streets in Sobade. Because here was Sandy to up your brand. Thank God we see you here.
So, Commissioner, it just be like say all of us say we don't plan am before we come for one. And God too I say make you take out today, make you see as matter the happen. You see say we now when we reach so now complain we go complain give Madam Salo before you come be say you now you got there yet. Then see carry youth matter come. So Commissioner, I'm now this matter now all una na get it. You wey Madam Salo to governor and go watch call on na.
Madam Salo, all the man and you super level. The woman ndị ala na una mara na governor kwubi n'okwu sị na every local government nọ na steeti a ga-enwe ebe a na-azụ ndị ntorobịa youth maka skill ọrụ aka dị iche iche. Even slogan ejimala ebe afọ na-agba amụma bụ one youth one skill, one youth one gene one skill.
You mean say government they do all these better things, make the youth they stand on their own. I am more about it.
But again, maybe I will be
if person we don't learn work before uncle, maybe say he don't know work, how he go take to am now? Those person we don't know work, how he go come do?
Ife a na-ekwu bụ onye mụsịla ọlụ mụta ọlụ okwu enyi ya mụsịgo ọlụ edutie nene enyi ọ bụrụ na ọmụtago kedu ife ọzọ nụnụ enyela ya aka onwe ike ibido gịnị nke aka ya. Gọọmenti kwana njikere maka ndị ntorobịa.
Aga Commissioner, ewegoro ka njụ mụ achọrọ m ịmụ ọrụ, achọrọ m ịnya moto. Kedu ka m ga-esi egesi moto ka m na-adị moto ọnwụ moto nke
ife dị aka bụ ịmụgo ịnya moto amụ nya ka a ga-eji mee na ị ga-amụ moto ịmụta ya ọfụma then ị apply ya kwuo na ị chọrọ enyemaka n'ife gbasara moto eme gị ife a na-akpọ drive test test ya gị then enyere gị aka site n'aka ndị road safety ị nweta drivers license. Gọọmenti ekwu gị moto ị ya n'anya mana nke afọ ị ga-akpọtakwa shọti ga-attest na ị nwere ezigbo omume ị na-anya ị na-akpata ife iji enyere ndụ ya aka. Gọọmenti kịta ọbụla maka enyemaka ndị mmadụ.
But Oga Commissioner, no verse. If I ask this question, no verse.
This one where you don't come, if I ask you this, if you don't go to a good attitude, make you shut up in your
I
mouth.
get so I get. Even not close here.
Onye ọbụla n'uche ya na he's subject to his own opinion.
You see, this thing where you just talk now, so you can make governor make me get money when I go take marry my.
Make una see you. You don't forget to listen to
Chalụnụ okwu ya adarakwana n'aja nna ka njọ dị ịgụkwala akwụkwọ
I graduate.
your graduate nsogbu adịrị onye mma egbu anya n'ọkwụrụ chịkọta akwụkwọ dị that credentials gị enye gị ọlụ ịlụ bọọlụ ribe ụgwọ ọlụ ị nwere ike ịnụnụ your heart throb
maka ndị ahụ na ọrụ aka ekwe ha ịmụ ọrụ ekwe ha ma ha chọrọ ịgụ akwụkwọ onwe otu a ga-esi emenwu ka ha ka nwa akwụkwọ
schooling like scholarship.
fine and good anyị nwere m ga-asụkwa ya n'oyibo a well-established and integrated scholarship scheme from the government.
Commissioner!
Nwa nwere isi akwụkwọ a ga-azụ ya ọgụ akwụkwọ ọ bụla onye ọgụgụ na edemede na-amarọ ọga skills acquisition inugo so nwere ife gọvanọ anyị kịta kwadosiri ike na onye ọbụla bụ onye obodo anyị a na steeti a ga-erite elele na ọchịchị ya bụ nwoke bụ akpọpụrụ dike gbapụrụ anya o mee ihe o ji bụrụ ilozogokwa Madam Salo unu lozogokwa na onwere ebe a na-ebite ego gọọmenti melie onye nwe ihe ọchị iji ego mee ma ndị yutu dị anụ ma ụmụ nwaanyị dị anụ even ụmụ nwoke bịa bile ego iweli emesi ife ị ga-eme ọ ga-erue iwechi ya tia ife a na-akpọ ya bụ interest free loan nọ naanị bili ebili weli eme ife ihe eme ọmụrụ nwa dịrị ya iwechi ya tia ka onye ọzọkwa nwekwa ike iwelie o mesịkwa ome gịnị o wechi ya tia onufele ebe anyị nọzi kịta.
My commission.
Thank you.
Make I tell you something, make una listen. You don't say this our governor. He talk he said all the what do you call them? All the PGs wey dey for village. He said make them make sure say then they put these youth people for their executive of ruling of PG of town hall. That is putting youth inside executive of village.
I follow here, I hear them.
And that Igwe own, they say putting youth inside Igwe cabinet of ruling of the town. They talk.
Yes. Iji okwu ọma gị. Ọbara dị na Igwe ka na anụ na-emebeghị ya emebe. Ịbịa na house kịta, the speaker of house nke anyị kịta bụ nwa okorobịa, a youth. Ndị okorobịa ndị set nke kachasị bụ na ịbịa na cabinet gọvanọ anyị at least 2 serving commissioners right now mụ na gị nọ ife a ndị otu anyị ndị commissioner
including of you
bụ ndị youth ife a na-emezi kịta bụ na ọchịchị kịta ọ ga-elotu ndị nne lotu ndị nna lotu ndị youth lota ma ụmụazị o nwere anyị dị left out.
Wait, make you never get jump up. No, your friend. No, you come for. I bet you don't want place. You want to connect my friend. Talk. Hey, commission, you get what I want to. My people are talking. I don't hear what commissioner explanation give us. If you got anything where you know how to do it. See, I say, commissioner don't talk everything. Okay, I'm giving you voting of thank you now. You do well. As you pass from my area, you come.
And I said a vote of thanks.
Thank you, they inside, vote today inside. As I dey talk now, I greet you well as you come. You see this visit where you come visit me. You know everyone don't get a better person. All the youth. You understand? But make I tell you, you don't want to. If you now want to do this again, next S committee will go come. Make sure say we not talk this matter.
Yes.
And I go bring my list come.
Mom.
Because this my area now, I go gather them, all of them. Put them, I go put in a name. I go bring them come. If I know hear them. For next committee, Madam Salo will be Madam Salo. When you making a
area mama.
Madam Salo.
I go appearing in the ESCO of meeting next one.
Hey.
Madam Salo.
Sergeant.
Area boy.
You the in our law for my decision, but
Commissioner.
Commissioner.
Thank you for the